Hi, my name is Stephen Sarouche.
And I'm Susanna Sarouche.
And we're here to talk about our experience with the Childbirth Matters class. And we heard about the class through our doula. And we were in the second trimester when we started, so things were already fairly far along. And we had early on considered even having a home birth, but we decided, because we're a little bit older, it was our first birth, to go into a hospital environment. And so when we heard about the class, we thought, okay, this is something we need to do. We need to learn more about this process. And so we started coming, and pretty soon we started learning, we started realizing what stuff we didn't even know that we didn't know. And I just began to realize that had we not taken the class, it would have been a huge struggle to have the birthing experience that we would like to have. And so as we began to learn about what's going to happen to her body and what's going to happen in the hospital and what's happening with the baby, we began to really feel empowered. And having the information to talk to our provider about what we want and what we don't want was so empowering. And I felt so thankful that in a doctor's appointment, we could tell the provider, no, we don't want that, and here's why. And we could begin to take control of the experience that we would like to pursue. And when you have the knowledge and you can have those hard conversations with your medical provider, we just feel like we're putting ourselves in a better position to have the birthing experience that we would like to have. Obviously, we don't know what will happen, but being as prepared as possible has been really, we're just so thankful. We're so thankful for the things that we've learned through the course of the class.
Yeah. I just feel prepared. I feel informed. I feel like I've been given some tools to have an adequate conversation with the doctor. I can't imagine going to the hospital and having a birth without having taken this class, and I will happily recommend it to anyone in the future. And we just feel thankful for the information that we've been given.
Yeah, we were having an appointment with our doctor, and it was, very quickly, do you have any questions? No, okay. And I said, no, we do have some questions. And I asked a few questions, and they sort of gave the standard answer, and we're going to proceed out of the visiting room. And I stopped our doctor. I said, no. And I asked the questions again, and at that point they stopped what they were doing and they realized, I need to stop and sit with these people a little bit longer to understand. And we were able to have a conversation with them about medical interventions and the types of drugs that we do and don't give our consent to have used, and all of the hard things that, there's no way we could have actually brought our physician to stop and listen to us and really understand what we care the most about had we not had the class. And I felt so thankful after that appointment, because although we still don't know what's going to happen, I feel like we're in a much better position now. So we're very thankful, and we highly recommend the class to anyone who's having your first child or even your second or third child.
A big thank you to Birth Matters.